Okay, change of scenario. I couldn't actually test it properly there. On that table, there's too many rattles and that, so to be able to actually hear where the sounds are coming from, it was a bit difficult. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a tone, the test tone, sweep basically, just to see how this box is. Okay, let's just see. I'm going to leave the volume at volume 25. This is on the 1 volt deck.
360 cycles, down to 10 cycles. Test will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 360, 350, 340, 330, 320, 310, 300 cycles, 290, 280, 270, 260, 250, 240, 230, 220, 210, 200 cycles.
Okay, now the bass is starting to come through. Going closer to the tuning of the port. Now it's loud. Okay, that's pretty impressive. That's very impressive for this build. That means this thing will play lows and highs quite well, quite decently. Obviously it won't play it as good as the 6th. There I'll admit I can really see the difference between the two with the Almera build, the 6th order 8-inch, the JBL. It's obviously with this one here you're gonna have to throw a little bit more power, and because it's a ported or a what's it called, a Helmholtz resonator, you basically need to put it into like some sort of okay, like a car, something that you can load off. So look, it's gonna be loud obviously in a car. And it'll be loud here depending on the room's resonant frequency, but like I said, I can see a massive difference in terms of this ported and the 6th. Definitely 6th doesn't really need much power, and then so it's already performing like out there, you know. But no, not to take anything away from this, this is still good, but I can say the difference is there with the 6th. Okay, I'm gonna play one more song and then that'll be it. Okay, I'm about to play another track here. This is by Goose Marlin. Again, I don't own any of the rights of this song. This is obviously a little bit more towards the highs, not too high though, because it's in the 40 and I think 42 hertz. So, and then there's a 28 or 27 hertz in that song or whatever. So let me just show you that. This will be my last song. Again, this is volume 25. And the sub is hardly moving, guys. It's not even pushing. So there's still potential of it going further. That's the 27 or 28 hertz. So yeah, it's a very nice build. I'm sure you'll be happy about it. So he'll be basing on all the way.